Popular socialite and Tubaba Idibia's ex-wife, Annie Macaulay Idibia, has stirred reactions online with a return to social media, intensified by yanking off Instagram posts. Recall that the socialite recently made headlines following Tubaba Idibia's divorce announcement, with the circumstances under wraps. The divorce announcement was intensified by Tubaba Idibia's engagement to Edo State lawmaker, Natasha Osawaru. In a recent development, the socialite has made a return to social media, sparking excitement among fans. However, a return has dominated social media conversations, intensified by her unexpected move of deleting her Instagram post. However, a video recently surfaced online showing Two-Face and Natasha Osawaru visiting a fashion designer in Abuja. Natasha asked when her wedding dress would be ready. Sources claim she is serious about marrying the singer and a traditional wedding might happen before the end of the year. While this new development by Annie Idibia has sparked reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.